Big up on yourself wherever you're watching me from. My name is Tony Ariel, aka Mr. Twa, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. This is Into Deep Promotions, home of the great entertainment and celebrity updates for you. Yeah, I want to thank everyone who has been part of this channel from start up to now. We have grown this big because of your massive support. And I want to thank you all for always supporting. Yeah, I have some latest updates from Easy the Lyrical Gino. Easy has worked on a project with Karole Kasita. It's a massive dancehall song which was released 2 days ago, and it's called Wa Idaba. Waidaba Easy featuring Karole Kasita is already out. So if you're a fan of Easy out there, make sure that you rush to his YouTube channel and go and check out that song there called Waidaba. Yeah, it's a big tune there. He's also going to be releasing another hip hop song very soon. Yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the release date. Yeah, but Easy is releasing another song after Why Daba. So make sure you guys go and check out that vibe, and you let me know what you think about it. Then, to fans of Temple Mona out there, I have very good news for you. Yeah, this Christmas at Boma Hotel Gulu, Temple Mona, yeah, we'll be having a very big event happening there called Karama Madit. Karama Madit is going to feature very many of your top superstars like Clex B, Kuchi Classic, Ricky Bad, Akisa, Conspiano, and then Doki Sunday. Yeah, it's going to be so massive. So make sure this Christmas you spend it at Boma Hotel Gulu alongside great performances from Tempra or Mona. Yeah, otherwise, for those of you who are still joining my live, I want to say welcome and big up on yourself wherever you're watching from. You can always leave down comments below to let me know how your day is going, and also let me know where you are watching me from so that I can send big shots out to you there. Yeah, and Numa Awards is around the corner. The 1st of January, as usual, we are going to be having the Numa Awards, this time bigger and better. So expect a lot of your superstars there being rewarded for their great performance all through the year. Yeah, so you also brace yourselves for that. Get ready to have serious fun. Yeah, otherwise, greetings to every one of you who has just joined the live. Thank you so much for being part of Into Deep Promotions. Yeah, so more from your superstars. Mixola is currently having a new song out there which is trending so highly. The song is called Aye Bala. I've accepted my mistake. Yeah, so that one there is seriously trending there. And Mixola is also working on a song alongside MC Masi and then Akisa. So we also look forward for that one there to come. There has been high speculations that this year Mixola could be the one, or is the one supposed to take the overall artist of the year, basing on how he has worked so hard. I don't know what you think. You can leave down your comments and share with us if you think Mixola deserves the overall artist of the year. Yeah. So that is that. The latest we have from the superstars. Yeah, more and more will be coming for you. Just make sure that you stick in there and you don't go away. I have good news for clients of P1 Dental. Yeah, the good news is effective today, 1st of December 2024. All their dental procedures will be happening at, or will be done for you at a 50% discount. Yeah, 50% discount on all your dental procedures. That is one. And then two, they have also officially opened the kids dental section today. So if your kids have any problem with their teeth, P1 Dental is always there to give solutions or to treat any dental kind of problem that you may have. Yeah, so that is that. And then if you also want to get the best perfumes in Gulu City, you're looking for good fragrances, make sure you visit Susie's Fragrances, located along Alex Ojera Road in Teguana. At Susie's Fragrances, you get all kinds of perfumes, from niche perfumes, designer perfumes, oil perfumes, Arab perfumes, and many, many more. Yeah, you can also pass there to grab yourself diffusers, room diffusers, car scents, shower gels. Yeah, they just have it all there. So make sure you check them out at the Gulu City Mall building, shop number 3. Yeah. So that is that when it comes to the ads. I hope you are doing well wherever you are, and I hope your week is pushing on very well as well. I wish you guys the best in whatever you do. God bless you. Be safe, and let us end this year. Uh, let us end this year safe, yeah, and healthy. That's the message I'm sending from Into Deep Promotions to you guys out there. Yeah. So, getting back to more of the updates from your superstars, Polite Moscow is having a new song on his YouTube channel. This song here is called Yes, No. Yeah, make sure you go to his YouTube channel and you check it out. And then, who else? The Mafia Management, Boy King HD, alongside Small Pin Charger, MC Young Money, Navi Doctor, Walkie Talkie have released a very, very big tune representing for Gulu City. The song is called Gulu. Yeah, make sure you go and check out that song there called Gulu. It's a very, very big one. I can see a message here from Feather. Yeah, thank you so much. Big up on yourself. And thank you for being part of this live broadcast here. Yeah. Then we have this fresh tune from Aero Music. Yeah, there's that superstar there who is fast rising and giving us very, very good music. It's called Aero Music. He has released a song called Ma Kere. It's a very good one. If you go on TikTok, you see the ladies doing a lot of challenges, pushing for the song. And then the song is available on YouTube. Make sure you go and check it out. It's called Ma Kere, coming in from Aero Music. Yeah. Then coming back to Wesley Ajale has so far released 2 songs. One is already having the video, then the other one, the video is still in process. So if you go to Wesley's YouTube channel, you'll get a song called Eramu Kanya from Wesley is already out, and it has a video as well on YouTube. So make sure you check that one out. And then he also has a song, a collaboration he did with Cameroon, which is called Ameo. It's also available on his YouTube channel. Make sure you go and check it out. Yeah. So over the weekend, we were at D Plus launch to support Pato Loverboy. He had a very, very big event there alongside the Space Live Band. So he was performing all his songs live for the fans. It was really so much fun. Yeah, we had a great time, enjoying great vibes from Pato Loverboy. Yeah, and the video for the performance is on the channel here. Make sure you check it out and also watch if you're a big fan of Pato Loverboy, or if you are from northern Uganda and you love the music here. Yeah, you can as well go and enjoy. Yeah, so his live performance, we covered it all, and we uploaded here. So that is that when it comes to Pato's event. Then if you're out there and you want a brand new phone, Techno phone from uh, Techno and Camon, all those series there, make sure you visit Great Stevens Electronics, which is located at Labuo Road, opposite Lexus Vintage. You can get yourself a phone there on loan, and you pay 30%. After paying 30% of the price of the phone, they give you the phone, go with it. But you must have a national ID and yeah, for your personal details, but they give it back to you. Then yeah, basically that. And their phones, they don't switch it off in case maybe you delay to make payments. And they don't also put you on pressure when the days have passed. They give you some days to look for money in case the month has not been good for you. So if you need a phone on loan, make sure you go and visit Great Stevens Electronics along Labuo Road, opposite Lexus Vintage. Yeah. So I hope you guys are good. Big up on yourself, and thank you for always supporting and following Into Deep Promotions. We love you guys so much.